In today's video, we're going to build a clean, modern, and responsive hero section, complete with a transparent navigation bar, hover animations, and a cool 3D style image effect. Perfect for personal portfolios, beauty brands, or any elegant website. Here's a quick preview of what we're building. Beautiful, sleek, and completely responsive on all devices. Let's start with the basic HTML structure. Now let's style everything using CSS. We'll add a transparent navbar, smooth hover effects, and that 3D look using simple CSS transforms. Reset.
And that's it. You've just built a beautiful, responsive hero section with a transparent menu and smooth 3D animation effects. Great job. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more modern web development tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see this turned into a full landing page. See you in the next one. Happy coding.